This is the standard operating procedures for the BIC Zeta potential analyzer. To start, turn on the switch in the back of the machine. If the screen does not turn on, flip the switch off and then back on. Once the machine's done loading, press F1 and it will load Windows. Meanwhile, what you need to do is take out your electrode and then rinse it with DI water. Then you need to take about 1.5 milliliters of physiological saline, which is 0.9% sodium chloride by weight, and put that into your cell. Place the electrodes in your spectrometer cell. Open the door on the machine. Place the cell in the cavity after you connect the cable to the electrodes. You can click on the program BIC PALS Zeta Potential Analyzer. Once it's loaded, click on File and then Database. You need to save your results to a file. So if you don't have a file already, you can hit Create Folder in the bottom. Find the folder that you're looking for and then double click it and exit. We need to clean the electrodes before we can use them. So click on Parameters, set the sample ID to clean. The number of runs should be 10, and you need manual cycles 10. pH should be set to 7. Hit start. The Zeta potential will now run and begin to clean the electrodes. Once the cleaning cycle is finished, hit clear in the bottom left and then hit start. You can hit stop, and you need to check the conductance in the bottom right corner. It should be approximately 32,000. If it's less than 30,000, you'll need to run the cleaning sequence again. You can now stop the sequence. Now that the cleaning cycle is finished, hit clear. Now you can set your parameters for your actual solution that you want to measure. You need to fill out the name of your sample, your own name, set the number of runs and cycles, and also specify the liquid it's suspended in and the pH. Make sure the autosave results box is checked. You need to remove your electrode, rinse it off with DI water. Alright, now that you've cleaned your electrodes off, what you need to do is take a cuvette and put 1.5 milliliters of your solution to be measured into this cuvette. Place the electrodes back into the cuvette. Then you can plug it in and insert it once again into the cell. Close the door. Now you can click start. Once the run is finished, you can hit copy to clipboard on the bottom of the screen. Load WordPad and paste your data onto there. You can then copy that onto a USB drive down here. Once this is done, you can hit File, Save, and then close the software. You can now hit shut down or turn off the computer, shut down. And you can turn off the power when the computer tells you to do so. You need to disconnect the wire and remove your electrode from the machine. Once the run is finished, you can take the electrode out, rinse it off with DI water. You can now store it in a clean cuvette.